Hi friends, this is Team Acowebs with our plugin WordPress Offload Media Manager. Let us see how it works. You can install our plugin from the plugin page, click on Add New button. And search for the plugin Acowebs Offload Media. You will get the plugin result like this. Click on the Install button to install the plugin. Click on Activate button to activate the plugin. On activation, it will redirect to a welcome screen. Here you can read a description about our plugin. Click on Next to continue to the configuration page. Here you can see the services that we used. Those are Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud and DigitalOcean Spaces. Each one service has its own configuration methods. Let's choose Amazon Web Services and click on Next to proceed to next screen. Here you can see a small description about Amazon S3 service and the documentation button for the same. Click on the documentation button that will redirect you to the documentation page. Back to our plugin page, click the Next button to configure further settings. Here you can fill the configurations of the Amazon S3 service connection. Fill the configuration and click on the Next button to verify your settings. After verifying the credentials, you will reach your completion page. Click on Save Configuration to save your settings. You will redirect back to a dashboard screen of the plugin. Your service basic settings are complete now. Now we can go to our media library to check the plugin works. Click on Add New button and choose a file to upload the media. Now we just added 2 images to the library. Let's check the URL of the media. You can see that the URL is changed and now it is providing from the Amazon S3 bucket. Let's open the URL in New tab. And you can see the image that is served from the cloud storage. Let's check the next image. You can see that the URL of the other image also changed. Now we can go to our plugin dashboard. In dashboard you can see the connection status as well as other options like media uploads count, etc. Click on Settings to change the default plugin settings. You can see some settings here. Initially, copy files to bucket. This option is used to enable the media uploading to the cloud. And the option S3 base path is used for mentioning the path that you want to store media and server. You can enable or disable default year and month structure of directory from cloud using the settings year and month structure. You can enable object versioning for media using the settings object versioning. You can use the custom domain name using our setting enable CDN settings. Enable pre-signed URL to get the pre-signed URL from the cloud. Remove files from server settings will remove the files from the server once the file is uploaded to cloud. Rewrite media URL settings is used to rewrite the URLs in media library. Let's see an example. You can see that the media is served from the cloud when the settings rewrite media URL is enabled. Let's disable the settings. Now you can see that the media URL is changed back to the current server URL. You can reset the settings anytime if you click on the Reset to Defaults button. Let's go to the dashboard. Here you can see the one more option like documentation. It will redirect you to our plugin documentation page. Finally, you can see the status of the file upload count. The count includes the subsizes of the images that you uploaded to cloud. Thank you. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support.